This video did 10 million views and was 100% created by AI. I'm gonna show you guys how to make viral TikTok ads like these completely for free just using AI. Traditional UGC content is expensive, it takes a long time for creators to deliver ads, and oftentimes creators don't even know what they're doing. Now using AI, we can crank out so many ads that say what we want, look how we want, and sell how we want for free without any of that hassle. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do that step by step, and by the end of the video, you're gonna have your first AI ad created. So first we need to create the script. For this example, the product that I'm gonna be using are these fleece line tights right here. To create this script, I'm gonna be using Dropbotai, so I'm just gonna plug in the product and plug in a little bit of emphasis and have it generate a script for us. I'm gonna add in the product here, which is the fleece line tights. And for the emphasis, I'm gonna put in tights that keep you warm during the winter because they have fleece lining and they're great for going out and looking good while staying warm during the winter. Now once we have that, I'm gonna scroll down here to UGC script as pass and hit generate. All right, so we've got our scripting ideas output here. We're gonna go with this one for now, but we might shorten it up later on down the road depending on how long we want our ad to be. Now that we have our script, what we need to do next is get someone to talk in front of the camera for about a minute. They can literally talk about anything as long as you're talking for a minute using different words and emphasis, just naturally the way that you talk. You can do this yourself. You can ask a friend or family member. I really don't recommend going on TikTok and stealing a clip of somebody talking and then using it as an ad, especially without their permission, because this can get you in some legal trouble. But if you don't have someone that can do this right now, or you don't have that clip ready, you can go on TikTok and type in story time. And then what's going to come up is a lot of people talking without text on their videos, because if you have text in the videos, it's going to remain there. And it's very, very hard to remove the text. What you essentially need is someone talking without text, like this video right here. This girl is telling the story time and there's no text over it. So what you could do for an example, and I don't recommend doing this, but you could take this, copy the link, and then go into snaptik.app and then just download the TikTok video straight from TikTok without the watermark or captions. And obviously, if you're using this as an example, you type in story time and then someone that matches the target demographic that you're trying to advertise to. So if you're selling fleece line tights, like that girl would be fine. But if you're selling a product for men, that might not be the best choice. Again, I do not recommend doing this. This is just strictly for an example if you want to follow along. Lucky for me, I actually have clips of my fiance Miranda talking straight to the camera. So I'm going to be using that as my example today. And keep in mind when you are getting these clips of somebody talking that this is going to be the base for your video. You want them to be talking clearly to the camera, making eye contact with it. You also want good lighting and a decent background too. What's nice about this AI generation method is that you can reuse that clip over and over again. Now, once we have our clip, what we're actually going to be doing is going onto the website called Sieve Data. So on this website, there's going to be an example of Elon Musk actually talking. So you can just delete this. So if you look on the right side here at the source video, you're just going to hit the trash can button, and then we're going to upload our video right here of somebody talking. And what this software is going to do is it's going to analyze that video and generate an AI version of it using your script. So they're going to take into account the way that they speak, their facial expressions, how they would say certain words, analyze all of that, put it together over your script that you want them to say, and then they'll output that video for you. And that will be the base for our AI ad. On the right side, you can see that the source video has been uploaded. And now for the text, we need to change this and actually upload our script. So what I'm going to do is grab this script right here and copy it and then paste it back into the text section here. And I think I'm going to shorten it a little bit because I want the ad to be not super long. So we're gonna say winter used to be a nightmare for me. I'd get so cold on my way to work, trying to look nice, but end up shivering. That's fine. We can remove gritting my teeth in the wind. And then I'm gonna remove this sentence here. Now I can wear all my favorite outfits and still feel toasty. Gloomy winter days are just a bit brighter. Okay, we'll remove that last sentence there. Okay, I think this is chopped up enough and short enough to the length that I would like to have that. So once you've added your script into the text section here, and then you've also added your video, everything looks good and checks out, we're gonna hit submit. Then on the left side, the current job is gonna pop up. So it's saying that it's processing our video right now. And depending on how long your video is, it can take anywhere from a minute to 10 minutes to process the video. Again, this is gonna be the base for our AI generated videos. We actually need some B-roll clips of our product as well to edit the ad together. So while this is processing, what we're going to be doing is going on TikTok right now and looking for fleece line leggings UGC content. That way we can take clips and pieces of these videos of people showing off the tights and then add them as overlays into our finalized edited video. All you have to do for this is type in your product that you're selling on TikTok and then hit search. And most likely it's going to come up with a ton of different videos of people talking about your specific product. I would recommend getting anywhere from 3 to 5 of these pieces of content with people that look like your demo audience that you're going to be targeting towards. So for example, if I'm taking this video right here, all I have to do is copy it and then go back into snaptik.app, paste the link here, hit download, and it's going to take you to this page. You can download HD if you watch an ad, or you can just download it straight up at standard definition, which is pretty fine, to be honest with you. And then again, what this app will do is download that video without the watermark from TikTok or the captions. While this AI video is still generating, I'm going to find some other TikToks to use as B-roll. All right, so I finished downloading a bunch of different TikToks with some good B-roll that I think we can use for our advertisement. And also going back onto sievdata.com, our video has finally finished rendering. It took 7 minutes and 44 seconds. All right, let's go ahead and watch the video that it generated for us.
G, you need to hear about these life-saving winter tights. Winter used to be a nightmare for me. I'd get so cold on my way to work, trying to look nice, but ending up shivering.
Keep in mind, this is not our final advertisement. We're not done yet. This is just going to be used as the base in the scripting of the video. And if the generation didn't turn out the way that you want it to, you can try again with a different clip. You can also switch up the engines that they're using to generate this. Some might work better than others depending on the quality of your audio and how the person's speaking. You can change the lip sync engine, the voice engine, and voice stability, voice style. So all that stuff you can play around with a little bit to get it as accurate looking as possible. That's something to keep in mind if you really want to perfect this AI generated script that you created. Once you get it generated to the way that you like it, what we're going to do is download this video. So I'll just click on these 3 dots and hit download. And now we need to edit them together, add some captions, some overlays, and then create our ad. What I'm going to use to edit this ad is going to be CapCut. If you haven't heard of it, CapCut is like an application for editing mainly TikToks, which is actually the type of video that we're going to be doing. You can do it both on your computer and phone. I kind of like to use the iPhone a little bit better for editing like these short form ads. So what I'm going to do is airdrop these clips over to my phone and then edit them live for you guys on here to show you how to create this. All right, I'm going to open up the CapCut app. I'm going to click on new project. Right now, I'm just uploading the AI generated ad that we created. So I'm throwing that right into CapCut. And the first thing that we need to do, if you're not paying for the software, you can see there's a watermark at the bottom right. So what we're going to do is just crop that out. So we're going to click on resize and then go to 9:16. Then we're just going to crop it up just a little bit, hit enter, and then we completely remove that watermark. Also, by the way, while I'm editing this, if you're planning on using these advertisements for TikTok and paying for advertisements, you definitely should be taking advantage of the bonus that they've got going on right now. If you create a brand new business TikTok account, they're giving people up to $2,400 in free ad credits after you spend a certain amount. They're always changing this offer depending on your location, but at minimum, you get a couple $100 in free ad credits. So if you want to run TikTok ads and save money on the ads that you're going to be testing, you definitely should use that sign up bonus and get those free ad credits. I'll drop that exclusive link down below in the description. Now we need to edit our ad a little bit more. What we want to do is add some overlays on top of the base video of TikToks that we downloaded showcasing the product. Going back into CapCut, we're just going to click on overlay, add overlay, and then let's add this first video right here. I'm going to take this part right here where she is showing you the inside of the tights. Also, you're going to want to mute this clip too. So click on volume and then put that down to 0. And now let's match this clip to what the original ad is saying. So if you take a listen here.
OMG, you need to hear about these life-saving winter tights. Winter used to be a nightmare. I'd get so cold on my way to work. All those fancy dresses and outfits would just sit in my closet because it was too darn cold. But that was before I discovered these fleece-lined tights.
All right, we're going to put this right here when she says that, and then we'll click on this subject of the video or this overlay and put it to full screen so you can still hear the original audio, and then this is just overlaid it. Now we're going to add another overlay. We'll add this one right here. Let's see what's going on in this one. So she kind of shows like how stretchy and comfortable they are, so I kind of like that. So let's cut that right there and let's find a spot to place this one over.
OMG, you need to hear about these life-saving winter tights. Winter used to be a
We could even put that in the beginning. It's kind of like the hook too. Just so there's like that retention of, switching the scene within the first couple seconds of the video as like the hook.
You need to hear about these life-saving winter tights. Winter used to...
Oh, we gotta mute this one as well.
Winter used to be a nightmare for me. I'd get so cold on my way to work.
And we'll put it like right there. That's fine. Now we're gonna add another overlay. We'll do this one. So she looks pretty chic and ready to go here. We're gonna take this part of the video where she's just wearing these tights. Okay, we'll split it like right there. delete that side. And then we'll put it at a place where she's talking about how you can still look good while staying warm.
Outfits would just sit in my closet because it was too darn cold. But that was before I discovered these fleece-lined tights. They're like little personal heaters for my legs. Now I can wear all my favorite outfits and still feel toasty.
Okay, so like right there.
Now I can wear all my favorite outfits and still feel toasty.
Place this one right here and put that to the top as well. Then we can add one more overlay. Let's see what she's doing in the video. We'll use this as the actual showing of the product. So let's lower the volume on that one, drag it back to the end, and maybe like right here, we'll split it, delete this. Now we're gonna move it over, and I think we might actually just replace the spot that we had the other one. So let's move this one over here, place this here.
In my closet because it was too darn cold. That was before I discovered these fleece-lined tights. They're like little personal heaters for my legs.
Just readjust this one again, and maybe we'll just use that part where she's wearing it. Plug it into more of the front here. Let's see how this looks.
On my way to work, trying to look nice but ending up shivering. All those
Doesn't
fancy
really make
dresses
sense,
and
though.
outfits would just sit in my closet.
All those fancy outfits are just in my closet. We can put that like right there probably.
All those fancy dresses and outfits would just sit in my closet because it was too darn cold.
So now we've got the overlays playing throughout the video. It's kind of social proof. It's showing the product here as well. Now what we want to actually do is cut up the original one just a little bit because the spacing that I had on the script actually added a little bit too long of pauses. So I'm gonna cut those up real quick. All right, now we've got all that cut up. The next thing that we want to be adding are some captions to the video that'll just overlay across everything. So to do that, I just go back into the main area of CapCut and then click on captions. Generate from the video, language is auto, templates. We don't need any of those templates. We're just gonna go with the free one here. Let's click on this one, see what it looks like. This is totally up to you and your style of the advertisement that you want to create. You can change all the fonts if you need to in terms of the captions, or you can use a separate app if you want. All right, so now we've got our captions on the video looking pretty good. And maybe we'll put them like right in the center there.
I'd get so cold on my way to work, trying to look nice but ending up shivering.
So now we've got all of the captions over the entire video. We've got the AI generated voice. We have some B-roll, and now we're essentially done with our first AI generated ad, and it took really no time at all. Now all we'd have to do is export it. But the thing is, once you start getting really, really good at this and cranking out ads, and then you get some of them to go viral, or you're using paid advertising and getting a ton of traffic, you're definitely gonna need to have a good supplier in place to fulfill all of your orders. To use ads like these and run a sustainable business, you have to make sure that the product gets to the customer on time. And that's what I use Zendrop for. What makes Zendrop different from other suppliers is that they actually own their own warehouses. They've got one in Miami, they've got one in Shenzhen. This allows full visibility of the supply chain, allows you to get better customer service, and allows you to get your products to your customer way quicker than the competitors. You can just go into the find product section and look up this exact product. So if you type in fleece tights, you can decide if you want it to ship from anywhere or their US warehouse or China, all categories, all suppliers. You can filter however you want, but you can see right here coming from China. So this one is $2.30, so it's super cheap. And the shipping time is about 10 days for this product. So if you want to use the US warehouse one, it's about 2 to 3 days. And the cost of this product is only $10, which is very, very competitive. Zendrop directly links to your Shopify store. So whenever you get an order on Shopify, it'll pop up in Zendrop. And if you're using them as a supplier, you would just go into orders. You would see the order pop up right here, and then you click fulfill order. They'll ship it out for you, handle all of that, and then submit that shipping information back to your Shopify, who then gives it to the customer. That way your customer knows that you shipped out the product in a timely manner, it was automatically fulfilled, and they have tracking. If you want to automate the fulfillment even more so you're completely hands-off and you can focus on other areas of the business, you can use the auto fulfillment feature. So you turn that on, and then every single day, the next day after orders come in, they will automatically fulfill all those for you. You literally don't have to do anything in terms of fulfillment and just focus on creating more ads and finding more winning products. If you want to try out Zendrop for free, and they have a bunch of bonuses going on when you sign up if you choose to use them, I'll drop a link down below in the description if you want to check that out. And that's how you can make advertisements super, super easy using AI completely for free. And of course, if you want free additional e-commerce help, make sure to join my free mentorship. We do 3 live coaching calls a week, helping you guys both start and scale your store. It does not matter what level of e-com you're at right now. It also comes with a free custom built Shopify store on a premium theme, winning products already loaded onto it, so you're ready to sell. If you're new to e-commerce or just want to join a free mentorship, you definitely should check that out, and I'll have a link for that program in the description as well. If you are joining that program, come into the Discord, say hi to me, and then we'll get you started. I really appreciate you guys watching this video. I hope it helped you out and gave you some great ideas on how to use AI for your ad creatives. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. You guys have a great rest of your day.